Hi guys, so this is this DOGNESS cam automatic feeder for your pets, which has a cam. You can connect it to an application which works with 2.5 gigahertz networks, and I think it's a really nice one. So let's start unpacking everything that comes. It has this freshness filter in the cover, which is nice. You have the gesture manual, the bowl that you place in here, goes this, and the cable, which is nice because you can charge it in this USB Type-C port, and you can have it whenever you want in your house. So it doesn't mean that it has to be connected to the power outlet. You can push these two buttons to take the basket out. This, refill it with the food, or even clean it if you want it, and take it back. Okay. So it's really nice. It's very complete, and I like it a lot. So let's go and feed our pets.
Entera.